4 bedrooms. The upstairs, the downstairs, both levels are finished. There's a metal roof. There's nothing to shovel snow off. There's a big open front deck. You're in a protected cove too. That means your boat doesn't get smashed against the rocks. It's more protected. Are you looking for a lake place that has more than just a couple bedrooms? That's more like a home? It's on a big lake, the 8th largest in the state. The corners are pinned. It's all surveyed. It's right on the water. This property was built right. See the full basement? So it's got good drainage. It's not a camp. It's a waterfront home. Let's go in the lower level. It's like a whole separate lake place on one level or the other. Lots of glass, because that's why you're here, that lake. You're looking through the atrium doors and all those windows at East Grand Lake. You have a living room, dining room, kitchen, full bath, 2 bedrooms on the 2nd floor, but this level can have 2 bedrooms. There's a laundry room and another family room. If you wanted a 5th bedroom, you could put it in here. Someone that can't climb stairs would love this area because you can just walk out through those atrium doors. Bedroom number 1 on the lower level. 4 windows, a laminate floor in this room. Here's the 2nd bedroom. Coming off the 2nd bedroom, before we go upstairs, here's the utility laundry room. The electric water heaters in this area. That's the lower level. Let's go upstairs, where the big deck, the extra set of glass doors are. Here's the living space upstairs. It's wide open like downstairs. You're looking out on the water. You have double glass doors to that deck and one wide open living space. This would be bedroom number 3. If you count the 2 in the basement, it has a closet. The upstairs is all a commercial Berber, indoor-outdoor carpet. Coming out of the bedroom, you can go right into the next one. There is no wasted hall space in this home. This is the dining area. The 4th bedroom. Let's check out that kitchen. There is a coat closet, bullet lights, the stove and refrigerator stay in the sale. The cabinets are oak, the floor is a laminate. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thanks an awful lot for watching and listening to the Maine Real Estate Channel. This property on East Grand Lake also has a storage shed. Lots of mature trees on the back of the home, nothing out front where the view of the lake is. Get out on the water. Can you see your kids splashing on this sandy beach? It's vinyl sided, metalled roof. There's no repairs, there's just a place for fun.